Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the top 3 best folding bedside commodes, practical, stylish and perfect for anyone needing extra support at home. From a classic steel folding model to a versatile 3-in-1 design and a trusted standard commode, I've got you covered for comfort, convenience, and value. Let's get started. 1. Drive Medical Folding Steel Bedside Commode Chair. This Drive Medical Folding Steel Bedside Commode delivers dependable performance with its powder-coated welded steel frame, designed for strength, durability, and folds flat for efficient storage and portability. It features a 13.5-inch snap-on seat, 7.5-quart bucket with handle, cover, and splash shield, plus secure plastic arms for user comfort and stability. Though Amazon pricing varies, Home Depot lists it around $30 to $40, with alternative sellers offering approximately $74. Pros include its budget-friendliness, sturdy build, tool-free setup, and great portability. Cons are its basic plastic seat, a bit thin feeling for some, and modest width, not ideal for wider users. 2. Drive Medical Steel Folding Commode. Next up, the Drive Medical Steel Folding Commode RTL11158KDR builds on the classic design with added versatility. It boasts adjustable seat height, 17-23, a removable backrest for over-toilet use, and folds flat for easy transport and storage. It retains the reliable 350 pounds weight capacity, 18-inch arm spacing, and includes the standard 7.5 QT bucket with lid and splash shield. Currently, select retailers offer it for about $82, down from an MSRP of around $116. Pros: highly adjustable, multi-use, bedside or over-toilet, tool-free, and foldable. Cons: slightly higher price than the basic model and not returnable in some cases, so make sure specifications fit before buying. 3. Medline 3-in-1 Steel Bedside Commode. Rounding out our list, the Medline 3-in-1 Steel Bedside Commode Standard Seat offers incredible versatility. It works as a standalone commode, toilet riser, or safety frame over your toilet. It includes the usual 7.5 QT bucket, tool-free assembly, and supports up to 350 pounds weight capacity. Specifications include a lightweight frame, around 12 pounds, with adjustable seat height from approximately 16 to 22, making it easy to use and clean. Pros: extremely versatile 3-in-1 usage, lightweight, easy clean, and simple to assemble. Cons: lacks armrests, so transfers may be less stable, and may run on the narrower side for some users. Outro. And that's a wrap on today's roundup of the top 3 folding bedside commodes. If you want simplicity and affordability, go with the Drive Medical Folding Steel model. For flexible height and usage, this is a great pick. And if size, portability, and versatility are key, the Medline 3-in-1 stands out. Drop your pick in the comments and hit like if this helped. See you in the next video.